Nitwa Chantal Mudahogora nkaba navuye muri diaspora ya Canada. Umushyikirano ni ikintu gikomeye cyane kuri jewe kuko mbona ko n'uburyo abanyarwanda babasha gutanga ibitekerezo no kubaza ibibazo ku miyoborere y'igihugu cyabo kandi banari kumwe n'abayobozi babo ku buryo abayobozi nabo bagira umwanya wo gusobanura ibikorwa na gahunda za guverinoma. Umushyikirano kuri jewe buri gihe nezezwa no kubona cyane imihigo, the contract performances, cyane no kureba ibyagezweho mu mwaka washize no kureba icyo abanyarwanda bimirije imbere mu mwaka ukurikiyeho. Kuri jewe akaba ari uburyo bukomeye bwo kugira ngo umunyarwanda wese amenye aho igihugu kiva n'aho igihugu kigana ndetse n'ibikorwa byimirije gukora. Kuri jewe umushyikirano as I said, I live in Canada. I'm gonna say this in English because I think when people, especially outsiders, they judge Rwanda in terms of not respecting democracy rules or principles. But to me, this national dialogue, it's a sign of democracy, where all leaders of the country and the Banyarwanda, even those who are following on the net, on the radio, everywhere, they are following what is being said, and also they are able to ask questions. I've never seen that anywhere else. Everything happens live. Every single person can ask a question, whether personal or regarding the country, and then the question will be answered there. To me, it's a sign of democracy. Even in the Western countries where I live, I've never seen that openness between the government and the citizens. To me, actually, many countries should adopt that. Rwanda should take a lead to other countries just to have the same national dialogue. As a person who has an interest in community development, I think it's a good way of seeing the level of understanding of Rwandan people and the relationship between citizens and their leaders. Umushyikirano, to me, it's also a guidance. It's a benchmark where people know where they are going and how. Because we may know where we are going, but we may not know how to do it. So that way we know that if this area of the country has a plan, let's say one of the district has a plan, another district can learn from them. So there's that knowledge share, skill transfers. There's so much to Umushyikirano, and it happens where everybody is in the same room, so you don't have to wait to communicate with people through reports or through other means. So it's straightforward.